Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. So guys, this is our second episode on PHP series. In this episode, we will discuss about a very important topic that is variable in PHP. How you can use variable and what is variable. That's very important. So we had written this code in last episode, as you know, if you are watching us. So guys, to make a variable in PHP, first of all, let me tell you about that what is variable, why do we use it. Variable is like a container in which you put some kind of data, and you put the data and you show this the data by using variable on your browser, on your website. So how to create a variable? Just use a symbol that we use is dollar. Use dollar symbol and name a variable. You can name it as, let me name it name. This is my variable, and use your is equal sign. Is equal sign, why do we use is equal sign? Is equal sign it to assign the data. What it is used to assign the data into variable. Now whatever data I will write here, it will assign this data inside the name. So what you have to do to assign the data, we use a string. Now what is a string? A string is a kind of data type that we will discuss in the next upcoming video about data types. What are data types? We will discuss about them deeply. So now we are assigning a kind of data like a string. You can also assign a numeric number. So we are assigning the name as the name of our channel, that is digital Dashti. Fine. Now what you have to do, you have to give a semicolon. Fine. Semicolon is important. Without semicolon it will give you an error. Now this is my variable. I save the page. If I open this page in my browser, this is my browser, I refresh the page, as you can see it's not showing me anything because we did not print this variable. We just assigned some data inside into our variable, but we did not print it. How to print your variable, how to show the data which is inside your variable? So we use echo. Use echo and inverted commas, double inverted commas. You can also use comma, or you can not use comma. If you are using only a single variable to show data, you can directly use your dollar name variable and give a semicolon. Semicolon is important. Now save this page, open your browser and refresh the page. Here you can see it has printed the data. It did not print dollar name, it printed the data which is inside my variable. Now you have got an idea what is variable. It's like a container, it contains some kind of data. Now this dollar name, it is a variable. It contains some data. What data? The data digital Dashti. This is a string. It is containing a string. In a string we have data digital Dashti. Now we printed by using echo, and we used our variable. Now it is printing the data which is inside my variable. So this is how you can create a variable. So let's do some operation on variable. So I will create another variable. Fine. Like dollar, and I name it numeric name 1 2. Fine. Let's see what happens. Now I write here something that is digital. Already digital, a semicolon. Fine. After semicolon, what I do, as you can see, it's showing me error, a kind of error. If you're using Visual Studio, so it will tell you about it, that's showing error. So this is very important, that you cannot name your variable by using a numeric value. Yeah, you can use numeric value at the end or at between. Here now you can see it's not showing me error. I used one, but you cannot begin you cannot begin your variable by using a numeric value. So this is something very important that you should remember it. Fine. So this is how the variable works. Now in next upcoming video we will discuss about the data types in PHP, which kind of data types we have in PHP. So I hope you enjoyed this episode and you have learned about variable and you have cleared your concept about variable. So have a good day, take care. I will see you in next episode.